Nice swimming pool as well here. Ooh la la, so nice. Not sure what this restaurant is called, I'll have to ask. Go and film this place for you sometime. Super busy. Husband is honey if you give him money. Some Western tourists here. Wow, these are nice. Look, 76. Just making one there by the looks of it. Wow. How are you? Good late afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 5:30 p.m. I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour along a beach called Petitenget Beach. So Petitenget Beach here in the Petitenget area of Seminyak. This is an area in Bali what I classify as sort of like the trendy area. You're going to find lots of nice hotel resort facilities here, some beautiful dining options as well, lots of boutique style shopping on the streets of Jalan Petitenget. Today I'm going to feature the beach. I'm going to take a little stroll along the beach. There's quite a few nice beach bars, quite a few hotels that come out onto the beach. So I'm just going to take a gradual stroll from the main entrance to Petitenget Beach and just see where we end up and give you some idea of what you can expect from this beautiful beach location here in Seminyak. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Seminyak. Okay, so here's a starting point for today's video. This is the car parking area here at Petitenget, just off the street there of Jalan Petitenget through the gate. Motorbike and car parking. I've just paid 2,000 for the motorbike. I presume car is either 5 or 10,000. And now we're making our way through the gate entrance to the beach. So just at the side here we have a collection of local stores selling some food and drinks. Sandal, orange juice, little containers there. Some food here. See if we can get round and see what he's cooking there. Got it all in the back here. Some over the other side. Just focus on here first. Some crepes here. Crepes 76. Just making one there by the looks of it. Wow. How are you, brother? Good, good. Something here as well. Looks like mango. The guy's selling the fresh sweet corn here. Nice. Just take you and show you some of these across here. We have another crepe one here. The Nutella. Golden fill. I've had this one, it's nice, the golden fill. There's some ice cream cones here as well. Just doing it now. Vina. Kebabs. There's some drinks here. And just one more at the end here, serving some drinks again. I'll take you now across the bridge to the beach. Oh, so it's not so busy. This is new since I was last here. I didn't have this last time. Coffee and milkshake, it says there. Coffee and milkshake. This little seating area here. Some fresh coconuts as well. Some mie ayam bakso. Nice. Some Indonesians sat here chilling and relaxing. Used to be a swing there, it's gone now. Let's just take you and show you the, no, we'll head over here first of all. Oh, the Indonesians just sitting relaxing here. And then here we have Mano which is a bar restaurant place here. Just take you and show you this place. This is called Mano Beach House. Very nice place this. Some of the funky seating here. Western tourists in here. Western and Asian tourists. Very, very nice. Nice swimming pool as well here. Oh, look at that. Nice. Very nice seating areas. I think I'm going to come here actually myself. Have something to eat and drink. Very, very nice place this. Nice seating areas. Some swimming pool again. Seating area in the back here as well. Nice. There's your swimming pool. Just coming through here again. Some more seating over on this side as well. Very, very nice seating. How beautiful is that? Wow. Okay, just coming out from Mano now. We're going to head over to here. This looks like another new section again since I was last here. There's some funky, probably copyright music playing. Let's just go and take a close-up look at this place though. Nice looking bar. Promo there. Beautiful, funky little bar area. 3 hours on the cocktails. Another beautiful seating area here. Wow. Ooh la la, so nice. Nice. Some sun lounges over here as well. We're looking directly into sunlight here. A collection of sun lounges here. Beautiful as that. Okay, so there is some tourists, a couple of tourists here. Majority is Indonesian. It's beautiful, nice sand here. It's like walking in the desert. Very, very nice. And the tourist here just lay on the sand. Okay, I'm just down by the water's edge, as close as I want to get. A little bit of big waves out in the distance, not too bad right up by the sand here. A few people just sat chilling on the sand waiting for the water to come in. It's a full span of Petitenget Beach. Okay, so we're on the track again now. There's another restaurant. It's very, very busy this with Western tourists. Not sure what this restaurant is called. I'll have to ask. Excuse me, what is this? What's the restaurant?
We are La Luciola. La Luciola.
La Lucian.
Yeah.
So there we go, if you caught that. I shall add it in the writing for you in the video. But you can see it's very, very busy. It's upstairs seating area. So nice seating around here as well. Everyone's having the photos taken here. A beautiful bar area here as well. Nice. Okay, so just from a restaurant now, we're along this section of beach now. Not sure what this is called, but we have a collection of tables and chairs there. Just see the name, or the Seminyak Beach restaurant. This is there. Oh, decking up there. There's a view to the ocean down below. Nice. Just coming to the end of the Seminyak. We serve surf lesson and henna tattoo, says on the board there. With a little restaurant type place here. Well, it just looks like some soft drinks and things. Maybe beers as well for sale there. Got some sun lounges. Okay, so just a little bit down the beach from the Seminyak there. This is the Legian. Nice impressive looking hotel resort facility this. The Legian Seminyak. So the Legian stretches a long way along this section of beach here. Few people walking again on the beach here. Beautiful clouds in the sky. Okay, just at the end of the Legian now. Have another little relaxing, chilling area here. Ladies just having a massage on the beach there. Surf lessons available, some cold drinks. And then this is the Sanji restaurant here. Nice impressive looking place. So people are actually up above there. I'll just zoom in a little bit just so you can see. And this is the name Sanji Restaurant and Lounge. So just for our Sanji restaurant now, looks as though we have some kind of hotel again here. So I'll have to try and find out what this place is called for you. So it's a swimming pool all the way along the beach edge here. People sat on the beach, people walking on the beach. Looks as though the sand's getting a little bit harder now as we're walking down this end. So it must be a huge swimming pool in there. It's hard to get in because of security there. Have seating here as well. Nice. Just keep walking along now. So if you want to sit in this area, have some sun lounges again in this area. So the drinks and things are available here as well. Some Western tourists here. Wow, these are nice little sunbeds here. Ooh la la, look at that, wow. It's nice and comfortable. Into a little bit of a busier section of beach now coming up, because I think this is Kudeta now. Wow, so you've got lots of nice little seating areas in this one here. Some different coloured ones here. You want the red and white or the blue and white. And then this is Kudeta. It's going to be copyright music here again, I'm pretty sure. There's your drinks available here at this place on the beach. And this is Kudeta. Wow, funky looking place this. So no, I can't see an entrance in here. We just walk along the front. I'm going to go and film this place for you sometime. Super busy in there. Swimming pool as well here. Wow. People just sat chilling, relaxing in the swimming pool. There's no way in, I don't think, from the beach here. It's a Laiku. It's all there at Kudeta. How beautiful is that? Wow. Okay, so just from Kudeta now we'll start getting close to finishing the video. You can see the sun's just about to set in the distance there. Some nice seating areas here again. Western tourists on the beach here. So we're just sat relaxing here on the sarongs and the towels. flying the kite there. Nice. They have some really beautiful sun lounges again here. We'll just take you up to the back of the beach here. Just go as far as the rock in the distance. So too, just having the coconuts here. So there's quite a big collection of the bars here selling beers, soft drinks, coconuts. Big group of tourists here. Ladies just selling them some jewellery and things here. Nice. Nice vibes here. Very nice beach. Chilled, relaxed, bloody ice cold beer. Husband is honey if you give him money. Happy wife, happy life there. Wow. Surf bear, boom boom. I'm not sure what this one says. Bloody ice cold beer, that one there. And then we have people getting a massage on the beach here. Looks like a husband and wife, that. And this is where we're going to end the video. So 66 Beach is just over in the distance there. Okay, so I'm just on this little rock divide now. This is divide between, so this is Petitenget Beach that we've just featured in today's video. It's going to be a beautiful sunset there. And then just over on the other side here we have Seminyak 66 Beach. Okay, so this is back at the start now. This is the bridge that I come and entered onto Petitenget Beach. You can see it's very, very busy now here. Lots of Indonesian here now. All arrived for the sunset. It's a lot more busy on the beach than when I arrived. It's a popular beach, this, particularly on the weekends. That's what it looks like at sunset. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my beach stroll here at Petitenget Beach here in Seminyak. So as you saw with the camera in today's video, beautiful beach location, this beautiful soft sand, very different to the Seminyak 66, Legian and Kuta Beach areas where it's a very hard sand because the ocean comes right in there, so it compacts the sand, so it's like sitting on concrete. This is going to offer you a truly relaxing feel underneath. Just roll a towel out, roll a sarong out and just sit back and relax on the beach and watching the waves in the ocean. So you also saw with the camera in today's video, nice collection of beach restaurants and bars as well. Mano, where I started the video, that looks an impressive place, had a swimming pool there, some nice little seating areas as well there available on the beach. And then just outside of Mano, the other new place on the beach there, that looked also relatively nice. And then right down at the end of the video, we had the Seminyak restaurant and also the Kudeta. Now the Kudeta is quite a popular beach club, well-established beach club. That looked very, very busy inside there. Going to offer you lots of different drinks available there. Some great food also, I'm pretty sure, available. I shall feature that in a video in the not-too-distant future, I think, Kudeta. You also had a collection of the local places as well, just offering your beers and your soft drinks also with just seating areas on the beach. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I highly recommend paying Petitenget Beach a visit if you're staying in the Seminyak area of Bali, and I shall say bye for now.